Here I have my Google Drive. You can see the links below. And if I go into the folder, after recording every single video, I have exported a Unity package. So you can pretty much see everything. For example, if I wanted to download number 21, switching to lightweight render pipeline here, I'm going to download the Unity package. I'm going to download it into my downloads folder. Now I'm going to open Unity Hub and create a brand new Unity project. Put it into a folder that you like. For this video, I'm just going to use the downloads folder. I'm going to create a folder called Testing 21. Select the folder. Testing 21. Name your project. And for the templates, if you notice the folder names, all the recent folders have LWRP at the end. It means I'm using lightweight render pipeline for these folders, the packages in these folders. The folders that don't have them are just default render pipelines. So if you downloaded LWRP, you also want to set your template to LWRP. Create it. Now that I have a new Unity project, I'm going to go to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package, go to the Downloads, and open the package that we've downloaded. Select All and Import. Okay, now I'm going to look for the tutorial scene and open it. And we have the scene here, and everything should work fine. Okay, so this is a scene from video number 21. And it looks good. Let me also try downloading a package from one of the default pipelines. How about number 11? I'm going to download it. I'm going to put it into the downloads folder. I'm going to go back to Unity, File, New Project, and I'm going to pick a folder. Testing 11. Select your folder. And this time I'm going to choose the default 3D template. Name your project, whatever you want, and create it. So here's a brand new Unity project that uses the default render pipeline. I'm going to go to Assets, Import Package, 11, All, Import, and I'm going to look for the tutorial scene. Open it. And it looks like this is working fine as well. Click play. Okay, looks good. Later in the future, I might even try out HDRP, high definition render pipeline. In that case, you just got to choose the right template. Okay. And I think that'll be it for this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.